Yeah, I was like, oh, I am so sorry.
Don't worry, I'm used to it.
Oh, what?
Oh, it happens around here a lot. Did you forget my sauce?
Oh, I don't know.
Did you take a fry?
Yeah, sorry.
Oh, don't worry. Here you go.
Wait, really?
Yeah, I always share my food with Milo. Here, buddy, make sure you stay hydrated.
Oh, you take such good care of him.
Aw, thanks. And this one's for you.
Oh, I'm not thirsty. Oh, okay.
Hey, buddy, I bought you this.
You should really spend some money on yourself.
But then I couldn't buy both of you presents.
Yeah, but both of us? Thank you.